There's our wheel. Okay, so let's get started. Are you guys who's gonna go first? Are you playing rock, paper, scissors, shoot?
No.
Okay, Maya, go first.
Go spin. Oh,
And you getting activator. Woo! You got a good thing. So activator, you get to pick one of these. You can pick this one or that one. Which one do you want? Do you want fluffy slime or no fluffy slime?
Fluffy slime.
Fluffy slime?
I know how to turn.
need both of them.
Oh, we need both of them? Oh, okay. Well, whatever you want, you can just pick.
That's enough.
Yeah, Maya. Oh my gosh, that's a lot. Okay.
I'm mixing it now.
You want to mix it now or you want to mix it when everything's ready?
I'm mixing it right now. So it can be. It looks like it's pink because the light is on.
Yeah. Okay, Theo, it's your turn.
Here we go.
You make the slime? Yeah. I wish I can make the slime. You still can make the slime.
You got clay.
Hey, so close to glue.
So close to glue, yep. Theo has different colors of clay, so you can pick whatever color you want.
I'm getting pink.
That one's open already though. Unless there's a color that is not in there, then you can open it.
I'm going to get pink. There's pink in here. Oh, that's orange.
Is pink your favorite color, Maya?
Uh-huh.
Well, Theo's gonna get some clay. What color are you picking? Yellow?
No.
Are you picking orange?
Well, basic color.
Oh, you're picking white?
Yeah, I know. I was just going to say that.
I like white.
This is white.
Maya's mixing her shaving cream.
Alright, here we go.
All right, Maya, spin the wheel.
What do you got?
You got clay. You said you were just talking about getting pink, so are you still gonna go with pink?
No, I like purple.
You want purple now?
Hey, who already opened this one?
It's been open.
No, who opened this one?
Play with it like Theo, and then you can add it to your slime.
I'm playing it right like this. No?
It looks like ice cream, Maya.
Yeah, I'm making ice cream.
You're making ice cream?
Alrighty, I'm gonna
Alright, Theo, spin the wheel. Wow, that was a long spin. Lotion.
lotion.
We got some lotion. You can put as much or as little as you want, okay?
Lotion. Oh.
A little bit? Okay, that's good enough. I love that lotion. That's my favorite lotion.
Just to give it a little sip.
All right, Maya, spin the wheel.
Wait, one more time. Please, God.
What are you hoping to get? Clay again, Maya.
More clay. You can put as little or as much as you want. You can
Yeah,
put
you
a
can
little
you
piece.
can even cut it in a little piece and just make.
I'm making ice cream. So I'm putting them around.
get blue and put them around.
Now it's your turn, Sadie.
Your turn, Sergi. Holy cow.
That's like a helicopter.
Mm-hmm. Clay.
Hey, again?
Yeah, you can do more Clay.
Go, Maya, your turn. Oh, wait, Theo's got to put his play. I'm sorry, I'm over here
Yeah, I'm putting
rushing it. What are you doing?
it so fast.
Red.
Red, like your shirt. Look at Maya's bowl. It's full, and then Theo's bowl is like the mini version of Maya's because it's still white, so it looks like ice cream, Sergi. But your ice cream is... All right, spin the wheel, Maya.
Okay. This is gonna be so fast.
What are you hoping to get?
Eyes.
Eyes, googly eyes? Let's see. Oh, you got Orbeez, but Maya... So Maya got Orbeez, but the Orbeez are still not fully
Hey,
round or fully... What's the word I'm looking for, Sergi?
who is this?
Fully...
Who is this bowl?
Fully orbited?
Mommy, who is
don't know.
this bowl? Let me see it in mine.
Look, I made like some little animal.
What kind of animal is that?
I don't know.
Looks like a sheep.
Yeah, I guess.
All right, Maya, put Orbeez on your ice cream.
This was mine.
Yeah, those are Orbeez.
Put as much as you want.
Oh my God. Maya loves to
Not
add
a lot.
extra on everything.
Turn to make my ice cream there.
Is that like sprinkles?
Yeah.
Interesting. Okay, Sergi, spin the wheel.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
You got glitter.
I want glitter.
You want glitter? I think glitter will look so good on your ice cream, Maya.
I wish I can get.
Sergi's just getting everything white.
Because I'm like wait.
He likes white. Let's see your slime, Sergi. Bring it up close to... Oh, actually, even there. I can see it. You putting glitter on your sheep?
Yes.
Look, it's now. Where's the Orbeez now?
Where's the Orbeez? Where did they go?
How do I mix it with? Hey.
All right, Maya, spin the wheel. You got shimmer.
Where's shimmer?
So that is this.
Shimmer.
Sorry.
I like shimmer. I'm getting purple because purple is my favorite all the day. We're going to need scissors. Oh. Mommy, I'm coming right back.
Let me see. Put
It's
it
like
in here.
disco.
Mommy, I'm coming back.
This is Theo's little sheep.
Mommy, I'm coming back. I'm getting scissors.
What do you need scissors for? Okay, your turn, Sergi. Spin the wheel.
Okay.
You
give me
see
a
that
second.
You
Where's-
see? Look, at mine. This is yummy ice cream.
Yummy ice cream.
I kind of did something to my little animal.
You destroy him. Someone needs to get glue.
Me. What is that?
Water beads.
Water beads. Orbeez?
Yes.
Put a little bit of those.
Yeah, that was a lot.
Maya's like, that was a lot. Okay, Maya, your turn.
Yeah. That's
Spin the wheel.
just a little bit here.
Yeah.
I might as well finish them.
Maya's spinning the wheel again. Glue, glue, glue. You got lotion.
Yay, I want a lotion.
You want a lotion so you can smell good?
Uh-huh. This look like this.
Like shaving cream?
Because it look like white. I'm putting a lot.
I see. Okay, your turn. Glue, glue. Glitter again.
More glitter. Oh gosh.
This
You're
glitter.
pink.
I think yours is actually pink now, Maya.
That's shimmer.
It's because the light. Look at that. I thought my mommy said that glitter. Oh, that's not glitter. I wish I could
Red.
get more glitter.
All right, Maya, spin the wheel.
Yeah.
Look at this.
You got glue! Yay, Maya got glue! And she's picking the glow in the dark.
I don't know why I put that.
I don't know why you did that either.
So cool.
You can spin it, Sergi. Spin it, Sergi. Spin it.
Look at me glue.
Glue! Yay, Dio got glue too, Maya. And
Can
he's
I
picking
mix
red.
2 glues?
Dio's putting his clear glue.
I'm not getting this.
You don't want activator? Alright, Maya, spin the wheel.
No, I mean spin the wheel. Sorry.
Oh, no, you need to clean this guy. Sorry.
Googly eyes. Okay, I'm sorry, Miss
Let me
Sassy.
count how many I have.
What are you doing?
Counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21,
What?
22. 22.
You have 21. You always skip 16. You go 15, 17, 18, 19, 20.
So let me mix it. Okay, 1, 2. Just put them in. Don't mean bad at me.
Boom! You got activator!
Give it.
Are you gonna need more? Because then I have to go get the other one.
Maybe.
Okay, Maya, spin the wheel.
Yes. Spin the wheel.
This one is on top because it's moving. In the wheel. Activator!
You got shimmer. Do you wanna?
More shimmer?
You want more shimmer? Alrighty, you got shimmer then. Do you need Theo to open it?
No, it's already.
Theo's already starting to make his slime. Look at that. Whoa. Do that again. Cool.
I think I need more.
More activator?
No.
More what? More glue?
Yeah.
right, well you guys. No, you can't do that. You're breaking rules.
Okay.
See who comes out with the better slime.
It's my better slime.
No, it's mine.
No, it's mine.
Alrighty, we're back.
This
So they are done with their slime. Maya, that's her slime right there. And then Theo's slime right there.
I can take mine off too.
Let us know in the comments down below who you think made the best slime, even though Maya had a very hard time making her slime. So Theo had to end up helping her because mommy couldn't help her. Theo is the one in the house that makes the best slime. Right, Maya?
I wish Sergi you be in work and Sergi helping me with the slime.
Yeah.
That's
Let me see how far it stretches. Whoa, look at Theo's and mine. They both stretch a lot.
Look at mine.
Whoa, whoa. Nice.
You cannot even see my arm. Look. This looks like a bend.
You look like you're about to put some boxing gloves, Maya, and go kick some butt. Theo has his slime and he's very proud of his slime. Oh, Maya, on the other hand, how are you feeling about your slime, Maya?
I'm a little bit good.
She's a little bit good. Alright, do you want to say bye, Maya?
Yeah. Bye for this video. This was a bad video today. Sorry. Though. Let's get inside it. Bye-bye, friends.
Bye, Maya. See you
Bye.
next time.
See you next time.
Make
Bye.
sure to like and subscribe.
Yes.
Make
Subscribe.
Make sure you can do good slime like Sergi.
Yes, not like Maya, but like Sergi.
Yeah. Or you like this video, give this a thumbs up.
All right. Bye, Maya.
Bye.